Good evening everyone. I'm Durgesh Brahmabhat from Ultimate Class Hostel. Today I want to tell about money. Why money is important in our life. What is the reason behind it? Everybody is longing for money. And also I want to speak about myself that what problem am I facing? What is the reason behind it? That I'm not be able to earn money. I'm not be able to save money, invest money, all these things about all these are topics I will discuss and I will think that if I what is the reason that I couldn't earn money, I couldn't invest money. This is the thing. This is the reason behind it. I couldn't collect in the piggy bank, in the penny bank. We all are the mentor. We all are the maestro, but we are not be able to think about ourselves. What's the reason behind it that we are not be able to earn money? If I talk about myself, that what is the reason that I couldn't earn money, I couldn't do anything else? First, when first time I came to Ashta, so I never thought about myself that I will come on at this position and I will do here something different, anything else. I met my friends. I took 10,000 rupees. I borrowed 10,000 rupees, and when that time I took, I never thought about myself that am I able to give him or not, and will I be able to give him or not, anything else. That time I was in comfort. I was fully in comfort. I never thought about myself that what am I doing, what is happening with me. This the ups and down, like this, all these things, the hustle was going on again and again. My friend gave me money. He said after 2 months you will have to give 10,000 rupees me, but 2,000 rupees extra. I said why? He said that you know very well that suppose I am giving you money, so after 2 months you will give me only 10,000 rupees, but what's the reason behind it that you took money from to me and you invested, you spent, but what's the thing behind it that I what watch I can do. Just suppose it will be better for me that what is the benefit to me, that what will be benefit I will means earn, so you give me anything else. I said okay, you want to take, you can take. Then after 2 months I gave him 12,000 rupees. I never thought I have good chemistry with him, he is well acquainted with me, but only he was thinking, he was not in the mood of giving the money. But only I said to him, and no, I need money, I want money, that's why I'm to do something different in my life, that's why I am doing, and I'm saying to you, please, I'm requesting you to give me money, all these things. He gave me money, I took. He got a benefit 2,000 rupees. That I thought that everybody is longing for money, they means to only money, they all are care about money, they don't care about other persons. I want to say, my friends, Devin, I am not blaming to him, I am not saying to him that I don't want to meet him, I don't want to talk to him, anything else. But that day I realized, I thought about myself that in this era we should not think about other, we should not believe to anybody's, like our family members, anything else, friends, because nobody is watching for you, nobody is caring about for you. Only or everybody is depends on their on things. They think that you are a burden on their shoulder, anything else. I took money, and when I took money, I never thought that I will go in dilemma, I will feel anxiety. I did all these things intentionally. I never thought about myself that I will do something different in my life. I will go in comfort, I will go in trouble, because I took hardly. And this is a barely thing about me that I was thinking that why, what is the reason behind it, that I never said to him that no, don't take 2,000 rupees more than me. I never thought, I never valued 2,000 rupees. I never thought about myself what is the value of 2,000 rupees. That time I kept on spending money anywhere, like I went soap, tea soap, funnel cake soap, Rashol soap. I spent lots of money. I gave my friends. I thought that the money is nothing for me. Only for me, my talent is everything. But in this era, if you talk about today's generation, money is everything for people, because all people they are longing for money. They are thinking that if we have money, we can do anything else. If we have no money, we cannot do anything else. I want to make 15 and 10 videos about money. And this is my first video. This is my first video about money. I thought by heart I heard by felt. I thought about myself at the time. I did wrong. I did no wrong. If I wouldn't do it, then I wouldn't be in the trouble. Anything else, I did. I thought about myself, because of me, everything happened. Otherwise, wouldn't be happened. I believed my friends, and I thought that he will give me. He gave me. I believe. Today I am thinking about myself. He never thought. Nobody thinks about you. If somebody will give you money, so they will say to you in coming time. They will say to you that why is it behind the reason that everybody is longing. This is a Kali. This is a delusion of the world. We are not. I never thought. I spent money lots of about other people's and about. I thought that. I thought that I will do, if I am doing something different, they will come to meet me. I will have good chemistry with them. I can be well acquainted with them. They will come to meet me. Anything else, they will think that he's a good person, he's spending money, anything else. But I was a wrong. I was a fool that I was spending money. I know that I have no form. My father is a priest. He is earning money. I will not be able to. I'm not be able to go to my home. I'm not be able to show my face. Anything else. I know. I did lot of mistakes. But I want to improve my mistakes. I want to do something different. I want to talk my friend. I took lots of money to him. 10,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, but he took more than 5 and 10,000 rupees, more than 5 and 10,000 rupees he took for to me. He said that I will take 5,000 rupees per debt, 2,000 rupees you will have to give debt to me, 2,000 rupees I gave. I was in dilemma. I never thought that I will do something different and the bad things I will do. But guys, I want to say to you, I don't think that in coming time where will be I. But I want to say this is an era. Whatever I am doing for my family members, my mothers. This is my reason behind it, that why I am not able to earn money. I don't want to earn money. I don't need money. Only I want to get knowledge. I need knowledge. That's why I'm doing. Otherwise, I would do something different. But guys, I got a lesson that I got a lesson that if you have to take money, if you have to borrow money to someone, to say to them that if you trust me, if you believe me, that I will give you soon. But I can't say to you, well, when will I give you? Because it happened with me. I am feeling shameful. I'm feeling shameful myself, that what is the reason, what the hell was happening with me, that I couldn't do anything else. But guys, I did mistake. I went comfort zone. I spent lots of money in eating, in spending to about other people's, sending them, taking tea, anything else. But from today's, I want to promise to myself that I will never waste money. I will never give to anybody. And I will spend in the good way. I will invest my money and I will do something different in my life. That's all. Thank you very much. I'm Durgesh Bhambat from Ultimate Class Asta.